and the election phase, it will be divided into the three different phases, and it will start on the 28th October, and I already told you that it will be in a three phase on 7th November. Okay. And as far as the current the CM, Chief Minister of Bihar, is the Nitish Kumar, and he has been the CM of this BR consecutively three assemble, means almost the 15, I guess the 15 years. So it has been the almost 15 years that the Nitish Kumar is the CM, Chief Minister of the BR. Now, just now, I have got the information that what BJP said and what the BJP promised. Okay, what they are saying, they are saying that whenever the COVID vaccine will come in a market, so BR would be the first state and they will get the free vaccine. What is this? I can't understand. You mean, suppose if the, so based on that they are going to win the election, that I don't have any idea about it. It's very ridiculous. I would say it is a ridiculous. Okay, you are promising what promising, and the main thing is that now they have realized it, that they are saying that he supports the BJP and that Nitish Kumar, the party, if they will come in a picture, so they will provide the jobs, almost 18 lakhs job. And now, suppose if you are going to promise it, for example, just I given that the count, they are saying that the 18 lakh jobs. Okay, now if now currently today is the 22nd the October, right? And now they are saying that they will give the 28 or 18 lakh jobs something. Okay, so how is it possible that suppose if you want to contest the election and you are promising that you are going to provide that much of a job, but how you are going to provide the job? Are you really providing a jobs, or you are doing some the false promises which are not going to the fulfilled? Because the getting a job is something, it is a it is the heart touching. You see, if suppose if you are we have a job, so we know that, but before, if you are struggling for getting a job, so what would be your mentality. So considering that mentality, you cannot play with someone's mind also. Because now suppose if I want to run some companies, or I want to hire some employees, okay, 18 lakh is not a joke. So if I want to hire the 18 lakh, so where would be my companies? Where are my companies? How I'm going to hire the people? And as a state, see, if it's come to the poor state, it's suppose someone, it's a very the small question. If you ask anybody that which one is the poor state in India, they will point to the BR. Okay, anyone, you just say BR. I'm in a Mumbai. There is there would be the fighting with that the MNS and the BRE people. Okay, I'll see. I respect that we are Indian first, and then after that the statewide. But suppose now the people who came from the BR to Mumbai to earn something, so we should not say something about, because they have the own uh, life to live it. Okay, suppose some days I will have to go BR. Okay, for example, suppose someone has been selected as an IPS or IPS officer, so they will be, that particular person will be posted in a BR. So it doesn't mean that it is a statewide. So some parties, based on that the statewide, they are going to conflict it, and taking the advantages of your the BRE, your Uttar Pradesh, your North Indian, then you are the other, you are South Indian something. So they should not play such a role. If it is, because ultimately we are Indian first. So considering this thing, BR. So I already told you that BR is a very poor state, as compared to the other states of the India. And now they are going to promise it that they are going to hire, or they are going to provide the 18 lakh jobs. So it is not the count, or it is not joke. So whether they in a BR, there are the good companies such as IT companies, or what the development structure, what they are going to develop in the BR, that I don't know. But what I feel that it is just false from it, because it can be, you can, even the small kid can analyze it. Suppose now if there is a one particular guy who is 18 years old, or 18 years old, so he will also, I mean, someone will also come to know that how he can provide the 18 lakh jobs, because providing 18 lakh job, it is not a joke. So what I feel, such a political party should not promise us such a false things. And see, even I told you that I given an example. Bihar is a very poor state as compared to the India. So they haven't developed, and still, I don't know how much the behind, or how the Bihar state is lagging. They are, even, there are good educated persons also. But if you compare the ratio, if compare the count, so you will get the count. There will be so many jobless guys. There are so many who doesn't have the good jobs. There are so many poor. Okay, and because of this, they are they are moving to the another state. They are, if you do not have a job, so your mind will be the divert, and you will do some unnecessary thing. You will be sometimes, you will be become the thief or something. So try to understand. So government of, who is ruling now currently, the Nitish Kumar is the chief minister of the BR. So you should understand such a thing. Okay, because he's promised that the NDA has promised that they are going to give the job, 18 lakh job. So is it really it is the true, or it false? They should realize it, that before doing any commitment, false commitment. So that I wanted to say it, as far as the BR election is concerned. And I would request to people of BR, don't just analyze it, and just choose the good candidate. Don't consider the party. Okay, if you feel that if that particular the candidate is good, then he is going to take care of your assembly. So kindly vote only that particular person. So that's it from my end.
Okay, hello everyone. Actually, my questions to Mr. Amit. I asked, just like you say that NDA promised to provide 18 lakh jobs. Okay, but they give also some reasons. How can they generate a job for youth? They promise for the, just like you can say IT parks. They promise that in 2000 in Darbhanga district, um, they build a IT hub, just like a IT in the, I don't what I can say, IT college. Okay, in Darbhanga district, 2024 tak. And 3.5 lakh jobs for youth in teaching sector. And they also promise for Mahila Sahayata Samooh, and also they promise for Dugdh industry, just like based on Danish model. And what I can, they also promise for AIMS, yeah, AIMS in Bihar also. And actually, I'm not in the NDA government, but for the job creation, many ads like a Congress and LOSPA also promise for the giving a job for the youth. So how can the normal people decide which can say correct or not? Because if we see the manifesto of the any government, they promise all of these things. And if we compare, so today I see all the manifesto of BJP and Congress party also and LOSPA. So actually, for seeing the manifesto, BJP are all clear because they, according to manifesto, I also goes to BJP. But what I can see is,
okay, Sonakshi, I have a question. In 2014, Modi government has announced that we are going to give 2 crore job per year. Then what happened? Now they are ruling from the 6 years. Okay. Now in Bihar election, firstly, Tejaswini Yadav announced that I am going to give 10 lakh job. Now Nitish Kumar just started saying how you are going to give job. Now BJP is saying I am going to give 19 lakh job. Then how it is possible? Then how you are going to decide who is better, who is speaking false? And by the India government, we can find, because in 2014, our prime minister just promised कि I am going to give 2 crore job per year. Now you can see the statistics. Even 2 crore people did not get job within 6 years. You are saying that ki BJP is saying true. Firstly, Tejaswini Yadav announced that I am going to give 10 lakh job. Then Nitish Kumar started speaking from where you are going to get money and from where you are going to give job. Now next day BJP announced that we are going to give 90 lakh job. Now you are justifying that they have mentioned everything. Yes, Tejaswini Yadav also mentioned everything. That we have already 5 lakh job vacant. Firstly, we can fill it and then we can provide 5 lakh job. But you are not believing at that candidate. You are believing on BJP. Why? And you were talking about, so Prime Minister announced that we are going to bring the black money. What happened with that?
Give the promise to the youth. They provide a job. I know that they influence the youth. They use our weakness point, because everyone know that in this time everyone face the problem of job. I know that, and actually I know for their promise, and I'm also not with NDA government, but I just ask a question: how can I believe that NDA are right, or Congress or any other party are right?
Sonakshi, as people believe on the PM Narendra Modi, yes, he is going to give 2 crore job per year, then every youth just voted PM Narendra Modi. Now we can see the output. What is output? And what I think, if promises is just like a tool to win the election, nothing else. They know that they can divert the youth. I
Yeah,
am going to saying, yes, I am going to give 2 crore job per year. Definitely youth will divert it to me. And now you can see, just wait for 5 to 6 days in Bihar election. Also, you can see the Pakistan, India, Pakistan, India, China, Hindu, Muslim. Everything is going to happen tomorrow onwards, because Modi ji is going to, to do rally in Bihar, and from tomorrow you can see they are not going to talk about unemployment. They are not going to talk about other things. They are going to talk about only Hindustan and Pakistan, Hindu, Muslim. And now, can you tell me what is logic of that? कि BJP government just announced कि if we will come in rule, we are going to give free corona vaccine to every Bihari people. Can you tell me what is logic of this? Means Bihar we are not people. So what is logic? Can you tell me?
actually, sir, it's just like ridiculous things, because government has it's a what I can say, it's a तो क्या बोलते हैं
It
सर?
is the tactic. You can say it is the tactic.
So it's a government responsibility also to provide to save our citizens. So it's not like that to mention in our manifesto, because if anyone run the government in any state or country, then they have a responsibility to save the children. So it's a wrong thing.
So it doesn't mean that, suppose now the NDA is, means the Nitish Kumar and the NDA means they are ruling the BR. Okay, but if they are means they are unable to win this election. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if they get, means the India get the vaccine, so it will not give on to the other people, right? Because it's the government first responsibility. If there is a vaccine
Right.
available for the COVID, they should provide it without the cost. And they are taking, means they are considering such a the ridiculous thing as their election manifesto. So so it is
Yeah,
not
sir.
the good. As far as the job
Yeah.
is concerned, okay, that they are giving the promises. See, everyone, even we do promise ourselves also. Ki tomorrow I will do it.
Yeah.
That tomorrow I will read the so many books. I will every day I will get up early in the morning. I will do so many things. Even but if it is come to fulfill it, so we never do it. So same thing will happen with that the parties also. They will they will just highlight it, and then after once election is over, they will forget it and they will think about their other things, and then they will divert that issue.
Yes, sir. So, what do you think for other parties, just like Lospa and Congress? So,
See, for my perspective, every parties are the same. Okay,
Yes, Amit
that's
bhai,
why
I am
earlier
totally agree with you.
Yes, yes.
Every party is just like
Yes,
its
yes,
name.
I am also agree.
Every party is just doing
Yes,
promises
sir. I
that
am
they are
also
going to
agree,
fulfill.
sir.
Yes, yes, Bala bhai.
Coming next year, going to conducting MLA election in Tamil Nadu. Today, the opposite party, like named DMK, they are preparing one manifesto, one family, one government job. They are announced yesterday before. So people are say how it is possible. So like that, Amit Bhai told after election everything forget our people like that. That's all, sir.
Yes, Bala bhai, you are saying right. Because what I think promises is just a tool to win the election, nothing else. Because if I am going to promise good, people are going to give me vote. As Sonakshi talking about, they are going to provide security to women. So can you tell me how many women are secure? Daily we are seeing the cases of rape. Even in UP, daily we are seeing the cases of rape. Then they have to only promise. They are not going to fulfill any requirement what we want. Just promise, yes, I am going to do, I am going to do, but they are not doing anything. There are
Like
many
that,
examples.
central government also announced in the last elections. Everyone get 15,000 in your account when we will become in central government. But still, I don't know anybody not get that money. Everyone's, but it is reached
Bala
all
bhai,
rural
Bala
area.
bhai, that was 15 lakh, not 15,000. That was 15
Sir,
lakh.
sir, sir, sir. Is everyone account, sir. I tell only everyone account, sir. Okay, 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 sir. Please carry on, sir.
No, actually, that was blunder promise, you can say.
Yes, yes, yes. Hmm.
Nowadays,
But
people have no capability to ask question because I have heard in some other country what happens. Suppose government has promised something, if they are not going to do, people just attack on the parliament and something like that. Ki, please, why you have promised this? If you have promised, then complete this. Otherwise, don't do false promise. But in India, every day every politician going to promise, yes, I am going to do this, I am going to do this. So this is really ridiculous thing, and this is to play with emotion of people, nothing else.
yes, nowadays,
You can take a pulse.
more people used the
Yes,
corona disease. Next, they are all talking about dengue fevers starting in Tamil Nadu, sir. So I think all over India it started in some monsoon, sir.
and also
After
Amit
corona,
bhai, today I have listened the news about corona vaccine. Then I was just thinking,
Yes.
what is this? Means you are a ruling party, you are ruling in central government, and you are doing such like promise. If we are going to get COVID-19, firstly we will give to Bihari people. Then what about other people? Means other people are not people. This is only for billing the election. So means at least
yes,
you
yes.
are promising for 90 lakh job, security for urban, stabilizing hospital. That is other thing. That is really good. At least you are thinking about that. But but about vaccine, you are going to provide only Bihari people to win the election. And suppose in any case you just lost the election, then what? They will not get any vaccine. Means what happened with them?
Just that yeah, that thing I was asking. Okay, we have that the Rajiv is also Rajiv is also from Bihar. Let him comment some Rajiv.
Yes, sir. I am from Bihar also.
Yeah. Yes. So now we need the actual position, means to whom you are going to vote it. Okay, and suppose if you are going to vote, so how you are going to choose
No,
that
no,
particular
no.
candidate?
Amit
Whether
bhai,
you
No,
have
sir. No,
checked
sir.
the
Amit
background.
No,
bhai,
sir. Mm.
no, you can't ask
Yeah.
whom you are going to vote. Just he can give
Yeah.
his view what he is thinking. Okay.
Really.
So,
Okay. Okay. We want the real review from your end. Okay, because you
Situation,
are
sir.
from that state. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. At first,
Uh,
I really love BJP government. There is no doubt. To be honest, I really love it, especially Modi government personality. But some day ago, there's a I think there is a campaign on Twitter about declared SSC results and RRB results. So even I am also at that time so frustrated. Ki what's happening and what's going on? Uh, and I realized uh, many students fill their form and their exam. They appear in exam in the next year, and after that results come in the other next year, and took it takes a long term process. So after analyze youth, especially youngster problem related to career and job, at that time I I started hate about BJP. Ki, what are you doing? You are I think you are at the position of 5 years and you are doing the same thing. And right now, and uh, I think uh, all parties are same. No one is perfect, and we need a good politician. Especially, I need. I think educated politicians should become in politics. So I hope it will change, and we can hope, yeah, for better India. But if we have only uneducated and less degree, and even some day ago I got a line from a YouTuber. He was saying that if politics is a job, if politics is a service, so why you pay money? And if it is a job, so why you don't ask for qualification? So this line uh, is yeah, so this line inspires me, and I am
you know,
also think
Rajiv
about this.
bhai, Rajiv bhai, I think
Yes,
you are saying
yes,
right
sir.
thing. But what is problem of today's youth? They are
Yes,
not
sir.
going to ask for employment. They are not going to ask for anything. And BJP know what they have to do. They have to do only India and Pakistan and Hindu and Muslim.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Especially
And
news media is doing such type of things, especially DNA. At first, I am also fan of DNA, but and I hate Ravish Kumar and NDT TV. But some day ago and some day, some month, I realized no, what I am thinking, it's completely wrong. I need to think by other perspective. Yeah, sir.
okay, I think I don't know why you hate NDTV, but I like NDTV most because they at least point every problem to what India is facing. I like talk about SSC and something examination. Only Ravish Kumar has covered that news. Yes, this is going.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Only he is going
And
to talk
even
about that. Yes.
yeah, yeah. And after tweeting on Twitter, I went in a comment section of YouTube. Especially, I searched a lot of news channel, Aaj Tak, ABP News, and many more. And I commented there also. What's happening? What's wrong with you guys? We are protesting for a long time about this matter, and you are not showing about this. But Ravish Kumar did. So that's why I am thinking, and
No,
yeah,
actually, this is a very bad mindset of every youth because nowadays youth do not want to listen correct thing. They just want to watch
yeah, yeah,
Republic Bharat. Yes, Sushant Singh Rajput, Sushant Singh Rajput. Someone is talking about unemployment. People are not interested. And if someone is talking about Hindu Muslim, people are so much interested. By Hindu
Yes.
Muslim, by India, Pakistan, you are not going to get anything. And I think only one news channel, that is NDTV, has covered a lot of problem due to no demonetization, what bank employee face, and also he has run a series of Indian university and education system. Actually, that was 30-week episode, and I have seen every episode. After watching that episode, I came to know that there is a very lack in Indian education system, because there are many government college, they have no professor, there are many government college, they have no any lab. But no other news channel is going to cover that. Also, you talk about examination. Every news channel is just
Yes.
praising the government, but there should be someone who can criticize the government also. Because if you are going to compare the
Yeah,
news
yeah,
media of
exactly.
USA and India, a lot of difference. In USA, media criticize every government. Yes, if you are they're not going to doing good, they just criticize. But in India, you can see they have no any capability or caliber to oppose the government, and we know everything. As per now
Yeah,
talk.
that's yeah, sir. That's why they are known nowadays. They are known as Godi media, I think.
Okay, so
Yeah,
Amit
yeah.
bhai,
Yes, yes. Actually, see what Raju told, we see now, uh, sometimes government will do the false promise. So we see, being the mature person, we should
Yeah, yeah.
the realize that what the commitment they are going to do it. First, that's why I told you that
Amit
even
bhai,
if
Amit bhai, just I want to add thing one. What happened? This is also problem of youth. Just try to find out information through the WhatsApp or Facebook. 90% information which is available on Facebook and WhatsApp, that are false. We don't try to search on the genuine site. If today we are talking about crime rates, someone suppose posted a message कि 1 lakh crime in Akhilesh Yadav government, but we are not going to verify on the crime site कि what is exact data. We just believe. Just I am telling example. During the 2 or 3 year back, when Akhilesh Yadav is electing for the CM, there was a false message circulated on the WhatsApp कि during the Akhilesh Yadav ruling, near about 64 Yadav chosen as a SDM and SP and DM, something like that. That was false information, but every people just start believing. This is correct, this is correct. He is favoring the Yadav. Okay. Then Akhilesh Yadav claimed that if anybody can prove this, I will resign as a CM. But there is no any data, because this is false news. So this is very easy to circulate any false news. Just you have to type a message, just post on the Facebook. There are many people who are not going to verify if this is correct or false. Just they no forward, share, and we can see. So there are many messages, and that is also problem of youth. They are not going to verify what is exact data. Just they believing what I am saying. Suppose I am politician, I am saying I am going to give 10 lakh jobs. People start believing yes, he can do. If BJP is saying he is going to give 90 lakh job, we are very happy. But we don't know, try to search how they are going to give. Only we just try to criticize. If someone is talking about India, Pakistan, we are very much happy. But once I read a quote somewhere, someone has just claimed, if you are not going to get bread and butter, so there is no matter of to be patriotic. Because if you are hungry, then how you can say India is good, India is good? Firstly, try to fulfill your dream, then you can see. But nowadays, youth, suppose just I'm taking example when India bought 5 Rafale. Everybody is just posting on the Twitter something like that. Yes, 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 we got it. Before that, we have already acquired 18 Rafale. But this is, I think we should think okay, what is exact problem of India. There are many problems. Now you can see example of Republic Bharat. He is talking to his employee also. Pradeep Bhandari, police ne pakad liya, please leave it. They are not going to talk about Indian condition, what happening in India. So this is, and we are very much happy to listen that. So this is our problem. If someone is criticizing government, what we used to say, he is traitor. because he is again speaking against the government. Why he is traitor? He is just trying to find out what is basically problem we have, and we are saying that this. We are very much happy to listen. Yes, definitely Modi government is doing very good job, but there is also other issue government should focus, because I think 60% youth just voted Modi government only for one promise, ki we are going to give 2 crore job, but they are not getting any job. You can see, just see statistical data. We are going to bring black money, not we are going to stabilize local, nothing. And what about demonetization? Nothing. GST, nothing. You know, there are many things. So it's all thinking. But I think nowadays youth is becoming aware, because when I listen the news channel, and I think there is a program Bhaiya is Kahin, something like that. So actually they just ask the people ki what is mahal or what is condition. Now I can see, at least in Bihar, people are saying yes, we need education, we need employment. They are not talking about Hindu, Muslim, India, Pakistan, India, China. So that is good thing. At least they know ki what they want. So okay, if anybody want to speak,
Yes,
so
yes,
yeah,
yes.
we have 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, so Pradeep bhai, whatever you told, it's absolutely correct, and even what I have analyzed it, that the most of IAS officer which are from the BR state, okay, because most educated person, or I told you that IAS officer from the BR state, but other hand, there are the huge unemployment rate in the BR also. Okay, see, there are the educated person as well as the unemployment. Okay, BR, the BR, the states or people of a BR have the capability, have a guts to do any work. Okay, they will come from this, they will go to any state like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, they work whatever they want to do it. Okay, but ultimately it's the responsibility of a government to produce such a the factories, such a such a structure, okay, where the youth will get a jobs, okay, and they don't need to move from their state, from Bihar to other state, from Bihar to the Maharashtra, or from Bihar to the Rajasthan, or Bihar to Gujarat, because most of migrate, if it is the migrant person, so mostly we could see that only the BRE people. So, and even though they are the good, the education ratio is also good, but why such a thing happen? Because of that, the government, that the government is the responsible. Now see, I am a Maharashtrian, so but I can't see that the most of the Maharashtrian people move to Bihar, but whereas the Bihar people are coming to the Maharashtra, so it means that the Maharashtra is the good developed state as compared to the BR. So if someone is the ruling, so they should create such an infrastructure also. They should develop such a things, so that youth will get a job, and if every family will have the at least 4 members, so someone will get the job, so they can take care of other 3 person. So no government is thinking up to that perspective. So they should take care, means before doing any false. Okay, see, if I am going to do a promise, so I should be I should be adhere to that particular promise. I should not break that promise, even if once I win the election. So considering these steps, I would suggest to the people of Bihar that you just choose the right candidate and then vote that particular person.
But the problem is, excuse me, Amit Shah, but problem is
Yeah.
who is better? How can we decide? Because both of are the same. And even I got a YouTube channel, and they were saying, if Modi not, then why? Then who? If Congress
you,
not, then
Actually,
who?
Raju, before the Modi, also people used to say, if not Manmohan, then
Yes.
who? Okay, so this is very ridiculous answer, because suppose man nahi to kaun. If you are going to vacant the place, definitely someone is going to acquire that. Maybe that can be better, but because I think Modi is not first prime minister who is just sitting from the 50 years. We have seen many government like Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, Narasimha Rao. There are many prime ministers. Every time, why we are asking a question? If not Modi, then why? And Modi is near about 70 years. After 5 years, he is going to retire. Means after that,
Yeah, yeah.
someone is going to take place. Then why we talk this? If not Nitish Kumar, then who? I just give chance to other. Maybe he or she can be good. Just you can take example of there are many CM who is doing very good job. Okay, so I think this is not a correct answer. Now,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
if I am not going to watch DNA, then what? You have many options. You can watch other channels because there are many channels who are
Yeah, yeah.
giving good knowledge about. But this is our mindset, and in name of the country, we don't think what is happening. If someone is saying that yes, uh, the employment is very high, and next day he is saying just say India is Jindabad, we are going to attack Pakistan. We are happy with that, not with happy that someone is talking about employment. So
Yeah, yeah.
if we are youth, we should think. And Rajiv Singh, I think you are really educated person. I think you have done BTech, so you can know. And also you can search on the Google. You can find the what is correct data. Then you can say yes, which is better, who is not better. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I am quite not interested in politics because of see so many ridiculous things every day. He is uh, uh, you know everyone is making wrong to other person. So
Yes.
that's why I am
But
quite,
at
yeah.
least we have to choose someone. Okay. So Amit bhai,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah.
Sonakshi, thank you because sir, we have no time.
Thank
Bala,
Thank you all. See you
thank
tomorrow.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you.
Bye. Bye.